we had all kinds of different collaterals, brochures, and little, little spec sheets and all kinds of stuff. I mean, you name it, and they were all one thing that really hurts your company and your brand. I think is when you have all these things, and they all have a different visual aspect. And I mean, we even had like different logos. I mean, some of the logos are in different colors. I mean, it's some things that may sound crazy to some businesses.
Sure, yeah.
But I'm sure in the B2B world, it's not that uncommon for companies, to have that kind of issue. So one of the first things that we did was, sort of bring cohesion into that. It takes a while to get there, but so this is sort of like one of the first things that we started doing is, create a new website that was matching the image that we wanted the company to convey. If you have different looks, if you have different colors, if you have different fonts, if you have different images, or people using low-res images, or at the end, even if you don't do that intentionally, but you're hurting the company's image. So if you're a very professional, highly technical company, well, you sort of want to show your products in a professional manner.
Right.
So that adds to that too, definitely.
That makes a lot of sense.
To me, it's just the same. You can sort of take the example of, if you have 1 million people yelling 1 million words, different words, well, you're not going to understand anything. But now if you have 1 million people, yelling one word, well, that's going to be pretty loud, and then you can ignore it. So that's what I think a cohesive brand does,